Hello my dear cute little children, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of your health, enjoying but also studying at home. So children, are you ready for your English class? We had started with the textual grammar portion and today we will continue with the part 2 of a grammar exercise of chapter 3. So take out your textbooks. See, read the question. Underline the names of persons with red, names of special persons with blue and names of things with green. So, you have to remember names of person, names of special person and names of things. This is a part of your revision of your grammar chapters, right? So, first we will focus on only one topic. First, we will underline the name of person. That means who is a person. And special person means those persons who are given name. Okay? And things you all know. So, first we will start with underlining the names of person. Take out a red pen or red color pen or anything, red pencil, crayon, whichever you have at your home. So, first, Shivani flies a kite with her brother. Shivani flies a kite with her brother. You have to search the name of person. See, Shivani is a name of person, but it is a special name because the girl is given a name. Who else is a person? Brother. Brother is a human being. That means a person. So, in this line, we will underline brother with the red pen. Second, the man is going to the post office. The man is going to the post office. Here man, but do we know the name of the man? No, but man is a person. So, we will underline it with red pen. In the third sentence, children play in the garden. Children play in the garden. Do we have the names of children? No, but children are persons, human beings. So, we will underline children. Then, Ankur is hiding under a table. Ankur is hiding under a table. Ankur is a boy and the boy is given a name. So, it becomes special name. So, we will not underline it with red. Then, Minku lives in a city. Minku lives in a city. Minku also becomes a special name because the person is given a name. Sixth, Hari is a poor cobbler. Hari is a poor cobbler. Hari is a man who is given a name. But, so we will not underline because it becomes special name. So, we will underline cobbler because cobbler is a common name, that means a person. So, now the work of red pen is done. Now, keep that away. Now, we have to underline the names of special person with blue. So, take out your blue pen or blue color. See, now we will focus only on names of special person. Shivani flies a kite. Shivani, we got the name of a special person. Okay. Second, the man is going to the post office. Here no name, no special name because special name is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. But here no special name. So, we will move further. Children play in the garden. Again, here there is no special name. So, we will move further. Ankur is hiding under a table. Ankur is hiding under a table. Tell me what will be the answer? Ankur, because here we know the name of the boy. Minku lives in a city. Again we know the name Minku. So we'll underline. Hari is a poor cobbler. See, what is the name of the cobbler? Hari. So this becomes special name. Now the work of blue pen is also done. The last. Now we have to underline the names of things with the green pen. So come on, take out your green pen or green crayon. Shivani flies a kite. Kite is a thing, right? So underline it with green. Then the man is going to the post office. Here can you see anything? No. This is a place, post office, where we go. But there is no thing. So we'll move further. Children play in the garden. Here can you see anything? Again no. Then Ankur is hiding under a table. Now tell me, can you see the name of a thing? Yes. Table is a thing. So we'll underline it with green. Minku lives in a city. No thing is there. Then Hari is a poor cobbler. Can you find anything? No. So we have done the exercise B and this is your homework. Do it in your textbook carefully, okay? I hope you are clear. In the next video lesson, we'll see the next exercise. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.